starts at this stage when there are only allegations and recriminations but no evidence. This court cannot anticipate the result of the investigation and render a finding on the question of malafide on the materials at present available. Stop. Therefore, it cannot be said that the complaint should be thrown overboard on the mere unsubstantiated plea of malafide. Stop. Even assuming that the complainant has laid the complaint only on account of his personal animosity, that by itself will not be a ground to discard the complaint containing serious allegations which have to be tested and weighed after the evidence is collected. Stop. Para. The dominant purpose of registration of the case and the intended follow-up action are only to investigate the allegations and present a case before the court if sufficient evidence in support of those allegations are collected, but not to make a character assassination of the person complained against. Stop. Under Section 5 of the Prevention of Corruption Act is entrusted should not proceed with a preconceived idea of guilt of that person indicated with such offense and subject him to any harassment and victimization, because in case the allegations of illegal accumulation of wealth are found during the course of investigation as baseless, the harm done not only to that person but also to the office he held will be incalculable and inestimable. Stop. In the instant case, the SP seems to have exhibited some over enthusiasm, presumably to please someone, and had directed the SHO to register the case and investigate the same even on the very first day of the receipt of the complaint from the DGP, in whose office the complaint was lying for merely 9 days. Stop. This unprecedented over-enthusiasm is shown by the SP without disclosing the reasons for making an order entrusting the investigation to the SHO, who is not a designated officer under Section 5A, really shocks one's sense of justice and fair play, even though the untested allegations made in the complaint require a thorough investigation. Stop. Still, it is an inexplicable riddle as to why the SP had departed from the normal rule and harshly ordered the SHO to investigate the serious allegations leveled against a former chief minister and a minister in the cabinet of central government on the face of the registration of the case. Stop. However, this conduct of the SP can never serve as a ground for quashing the FIR. Stop.